And welcome to Albany, the beautiful, rainy, windy, haily place. So we got in here being told that it was going to be rainy, and it was a lot worse than what we thought, but that's alright. I hope you enjoy. I think we go to the Gap, the bridge, and Elephant Rock and everything in Albany. Super nice. And then we cruised our way through to Denmark towards the west.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Is this Barry?
No, this is Katie and Dylan.
Oh, I just want to let you know this is Living.
Living who?
Living Life Off-Road!
I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
The bad weather behind us, we ended up in Denmark, went to the dam distillery, which is sick, and then headed off to see some of the animals in the farm that they've got there.
Let's go.
It's a must, you gotta do it.
Oh, dear, you put it in your hair.
He's a special unit. Hey, buddy.
There you go. Oh, rip.
Oh, you are cheeky. Cheeky. Not today.
Oh, you like it? Ooh, it smells so nice.
Go on.
Look at this one. Why does that one look like a greenhouse? Oh, sorry, one more. Hello. Okay, one at a time. It's like when you open a packet of gum and farts. You got gum? Really? How'd you know that? Or you, I want you and I want you. Maybe you. Oh, you almost slipped. Can I pat you? Let me get one.
Let me just fix his hair up for him. Yeah.
Much better.
Yeah.
Wow, girl. Ooh. You got the hair now?
The hairdo. Oh, watch out.
We can't post that.
There we go.